What do I have in here? A bunch of weird stuff. Okay. What do I got in there? Weirder stuff. Yep. Okay. Nothing. Look at that. We got a piece cut out of there. Let's go ahead and cut a piece out of this thing. We'll do about that much. Yeah, that looks good. About a yay. Let's see here. About yay long. Yep. And it's about this wide. Perfect. Now, I just need to keep doing that. Now, let me get a different tool for that. Tell you what, Milwaukee will put their name on anything. And I mean anything. I'm just going to run this thing down. See, Milwaukee. It's pretty deep. I do not want to cut that. All right. Maybe, just maybe, we can get in here and not screw everything up. All right, well that was fun. Blew a breaker. All right, so that'll be the back, like that. We just need to do a couple of side ones. So I need to cut these down to 75 and 7/8, which I've already marked out somewhere where I can't find the marking. Like for real though, I did. It should be right around here. We're just gonna do it again. .75 and 7/8. Yeah, that's it right there. Right about there. $75 7/8. Yeah, we're into this the easy way, not the hard way. Line that up by feel. Do not move. Let's see. Plugged in. What is this to? It's that fan. I'm not a big fan of it. What is this? God only knows how long that's been there. Alright. I need to cut this thing right there. Prop that up. Push that down. Yeah, hair off, but that's all right. That's sandy. We shall sand that down. Now this is going to stand up here, you know. This is the mock-up. Good. Here we go. Chuck it, bucket. What's this problem? This side on here. Go. Speed reload. Look at it. What the hell are you doing in there? There's always gotta be something, man. Like, what the hell? See, if you're mixing this type of stuff up, all the crap's at the bottom, so you gotta mix. You know, when you think you're done mixing, mix a little more. Oh my gosh, I've already spilled it everywhere. It's all right. We're trying to get it on there, right? I mean, is there a hole in it? Yeah, sure. Why the hell not? A lot of you are panicking. Don't be panicking. Yeah, get the hell out. Get off of there. Alright, I don't know. Not prepared. We're gonna use this. I don't want to use this. On the top, I'm going to use the pre-treatment stuff. It does help. It's actually pretty cool. But this is the bottom, so it's all good. You know, we need tons more. I'm going to take a moment and organize myself. This pine is soaking this up like a wick soaking up a flame. That pre-stain really helps with that splotching. And I did sand the other side better than I sanded this bottom side. So we're gonna let that dry, and yeah, we're gonna let that dry, flip it over, do the inside, front side, real side, whatever. Be back in a minute. Just like in most things that I do, we don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it. That's horrible. Got it on there, hated it, changing it. I'm about to sand all this off and change it. We're gonna try dark walnut, and I'm gonna try one of these spray things, and then I'm gonna spray poly on it. And we almost did American walnut, but that's got too much red in it, and I bought that for a completely different project. So I'm gonna do a bunch of sanding and then I'll get back to y'all.